Bloatware is not the only thing that slows down your hardware. Large clusters of temporary files can also have a huge impact on the performance of your device, and they become useless over time. In this video, we will learn how to delete temporary files on Windows 10. But how do these files end up on your machine? Well, your operating system usually creates them for temporary purposes, such as backups or session trackings. Some of them are leftovers from installations, updates or downloads, cache or cookie files. One good thing is you can remove them quite easily. Here's how. There are a few ways to do it. Follow these steps for the first one. Close all your active apps. Open the Start menu and choose Settings. Select System. Select Storage, and then double-click on Temporary Files. Choose temporary files you wish to delete and click Remove Files. If you wish these files to be deleted automatically, you can enable this option in the Storage section. You can also delete the files manually by using the Run option. You should. Close all your active apps. Press Windows + R and enter %temp %. Open the temp folder and select the files you want to delete. Click Delete and then empty your recycle bin. Finally, you can also delete temporary files by using the command prompt. To do that, open the command prompt. You can do it by opening the Start menu, choosing the Windows System Shortcuts folder, and then clicking on the command prompt icon. Or enter CMD or command in your Windows search bar and choose the command prompt from the results. Then type the sequence you see on the screen and hit enter. The system will automatically delete your files. Stay safe. To learn more about VPNs and online security, subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.